Charisse John, graduate student at Northern Arizona University, knew at a young age that she wanted to work with power, specifically renewable energy. 2 years ago, when Dr. Thomas Acker approached her with a proposal to optimize renewable energy resources in Jemez Pueblo, she gladly accepted. Last week, the first fruits of her research were presented at a conference showing potential for her work. Mason Agnew has more.
I wanted to be changing things, changing systems from within instead of trying to work from the outside. And that dealt with optimizing certain systems.
John's research hopes to provide the Jemez Pueblo area with renewable energy at minimum cost without dramatically impacting the environment.
When we're optimizing, there's certain design constraints that go into it. Is we want to minimize the amount of land that we're using, while minimizing the cost. And we also want to maximize the performance of this, so we want to get the optimum energy output out. So that's the main focus of my thesis.
Finding the best solution for Jemez Pueblo area is no easy task. For John, she believes in trusting herself and following through with her plans.
Once you kind of figure out the path that I should go down, and it became a lot simpler. It's such a heavy burden already in the first place, but it's not that great of a burden anymore. I know what I need to do, and I just need to do it.
This research could change Jemez Pueblo by allowing low-cost energy to the whole area, as well as increasing their economic development. With NAZ Today, I'm Mason Agnew.